guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Today, gagawa ulit tayo ng isang classic merienda. Today, let's make putopao. Yes guys, today ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng putopao. Ano nga ba yung putopao? Putopao is like a hybrid or a cross between siopaw and puto. Kasi instead nagagawa tayo ng siopaw dough, gagamitin natin ay ang puto dough. So let's get started. So guys, for the recipe that we'll be doing today, we actually have two parts. One is the puto and the next one is our filling. So, yung filling na gagamitin natin, yung mga ingredients niya ay ito. We have pork belly, we have onions, garlic, we have soy sauce, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, we have brown sugar. Gagamit din tayo ng a little bit of cornstarch, of course oil, and for our topping, gagamit tayo ng salted egg and Eden cheese. Okay? So, for our puto, we have, pinagsama-sama ko na yung mga ingredients dito. Ipapakita ko sa inyo sa screen kung ano yung mga ginamit ko. Kasi it is the same puto ingredients that I used from my live stream before. Okay? So, isi-sift ko lang yung mga dry ingredients. And then, imimix ko yung wet ingredients. So, once sifted na yung ating dry ingredients, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating wet ingredients, starting with our water. Ihalo lang natin. And then, our evaporated milk. So, once na nahalo na natin to, lastly, i-add natin yung ating butter. And then, ihalo nyo lang to and then we will set this aside. So, yan guys, yung ating pan. Maglalagay lang tayo ng konting oil. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating pork belly. So, ilalagay ko muna yung ating pork belly para lumabas yung mantika galing dun sa taba. And yun yung magpapalasa. So guys, once na nakita nyong nagmantika na yung ating pork, ilalagay tayo ng ating sibuyas. And of course, yung ating bawang. And then, ihalo lang natin. Yan guys, once na okay na yung ating bawang sibuyas, a-add na natin yung ating soy sauce. Halo lang ulit. And then, isusunod na rin natin yung ating oyster sauce. Yan, ang bango-bango na. And then, yung ating hoisin sauce. Kaya hindi na tayo naglagay ng star anise kasi yung hoisin sauce, siya na yung magbibigay ng parang medyo may pagka-Chinese flavor dito sa ating putopao filling. Okay, after nito, maglalagay lang tayo ng konting water para lumambot yung ating pork. So, maglagay na tayo ng water. Then, hintayin lang nating lumambot yung ating pork. And, hintayin natin kumulo ito. And then, maglalagay tayo ng brown sugar. So, yan guys, kumukulo na. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating brown sugar. Depende yan sa inyo, yung paglagay ng brown sugar, kung gaano nyo katamis gusto ang inyong filling. So, guys, once na malambot na yung ating pork, i-add na natin yung ating cornstarch diluted in water. And then, after mag-thicken yung ating sauce, we have to set it aside to cool down bago natin siya i-add sa ating puto. So, while we're waiting for our mixture to cool down, ilalagay na natin yung ating puto mixture. Pero, ang ilalagay lang natin is yung first half muna. So, guys, after adding the first half of our puto mixture, let's add the filling. Yung filling, be careful not to put too much para hindi umapaw yung ating filling. Okay? And then, next step is to put the second half of our puto mixture. So, guys, after nating mailagay yung last mixture natin ng puto, let's add our salted egg and cheese sa ibabaw ng ating puto. So guys, now we are ready to steam. We will steam this for 15 minutes. So guys, ready na ang ating putopao. Guys, ready na ang ating putopao. Ayan na siya. Ang bango-bango. It's tikiman time. Guys, ready na kayo? Tikiman na. Ayan na siya. Sobrang lambot nung puto. Ang sarap nung filling. Para siyang siopaw asado. Yung cheese, yung itlog na maalat. Perfect combination. Ang sarap, guys. Sana nandito kayo para matikman nyo. One last. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. So guys, before I end this video, I wanted to greet my hubby, Idyong, EJ. Happy birthday! Birthday niya ngayon, guys. And dahil birthday niya, meron siyang sariling tikiman time! Let's go! Yan na siya.
Hi guys.
Dahil birthday niya, yan, may pakandila tayo, di ba? Happy birthday! Yee!
Ngayon guys, titikman na natin. Try natin tikman to. Guys, masarap. Yung egg, yung salted egg niya, masyado siyang salted. Sana matry niyo din siya at home very soon.
Happy birthday! And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating putopao video recipe for today. And sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. If you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again! Bye!